Hey guys, it's Billie, and today I'm going to be doing this creepy kind of doll clown for you guys. So my mom actually made the entire outfit. I probably will post pictures later somewhere of like the full costume, but yeah, from what you can see here, she did like the cute little like neck collar and just the whole thing is a jumpsuit. So I wanted to do a couple Halloween tutorials. Hopefully I get some out before Halloween. If not, I will still post them even though it's not Halloween anymore because every day is Halloween. What I'm doing right now is putting on my NYX Brow Mascara in the shade Medium Brown. So I'm pointing to the three shades Prick, Cherry Soda, and Fresh Meat because I planned on only using those three in the beginning, but I ended up using almost all of them on the bottom row except for Blood Sugar. I decided that I wanted to put this random like cheap cream Halloween paint makeup on my eyelid because I was like, I don't have a white base and this will work the best. And here I'm just taking this high definition pressed powder by Clean Color. Now we're going to go back to the eyes and do all of the really pretty reds on the bottom row. So we're just going to start off with the lightest color, which is Prick, and just gradually go to the darker colors. Sorry, I'm really bad at explaining stuff like this. But yeah, what I'm doing is just starting off and going in kind of basic and just doing like a red, smoky, blown out eye. I just keep going in with this same color and am still kind of giving myself like a cat eye shape. And now I believe that I'm using Cherry Soda in my crease, and what I'm going to do is kind of bring it up into like a triangle, kind of going in the center of my eyebrow and bringing it up past it. So I actually think I'm using both Cherry Soda and Fresh Meat because it looks a little bit darker, so I'm using a combination of the both. Halloween is about a week away and I love dressing up and I just love like doing makeup, so I'm excited to also finally try to record those things. I'm not really like going out for Halloween, but I'm just gonna stay in and watch some spooky Halloween movies with my boyfriend and eat too much candy and maybe dress up anyway. I kind of just followed the contours of my nose, by the way, to make like a little like kind of circle-y diamond shape, and then I brought it up on one side and it just looked really cool. It looked like, I don't know, some weird dragon symbol for some reason, so I was like, I'm keeping that. And now I'm just going to start from the tip of the triangle and follow it going up past my eyebrow and kind of shade it very lightly, and then in the center making it a little bit darker just to add some depth to it. We're going to do that on both sides and as well as the bottom. And I smoked out the entire bottom lash line, kind of making it more bold in the center because we're going to be dragging that down the same way we did the top. And now I'm taking the color Extraction and doing the same thing as all the other times and just blending it in. This is my first time ever doing a clown makeup look, and I have an idea of doing another one, but in like a different, more cutesy style. I feel like that would look really good and it would kind of fit me more. Now I'm using the color Coma and Extraction because they're the darkest shades in the palette. And this is where I got the brush kind of wet and it made the bristles clump together a little bit. So when I used the eyeshadow, it left kind of like a little bristle brush stroke. I kind of very lightly did that to give it some texture around the bottom, and I'm going to do it on the top as well. The very smoothly done nose is probably like my favorite part, and it just went so well the whole time. Like, I feel like the shape of it's very cute, and it could also be used in like a skull makeup. The Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette, All Nighter, that's super cute. I also decided that I wanted my eyelid to be darker too, so I used that same black there, just because, I don't know, I thought it would look creepier. Oof. I literally hate when that happens. And now for the scariest part of the whole video. Combining Jeffree Star products and Kat Von D products at the same time. And I didn't really have a brush small enough to stipple this on like I wanted, but there's no problem because even if you do make it a little darker in some parts, you can just take your finger and lightly pat it around and it kind of blends in and transfers over to other spots on your eye. Oh yeah, and I totally forgot to mention the name of that lipstick. I think it's called Exorcism or Exorcist? Hold up. I'm gonna figure this out. Exorcism, and I think the name matches the color very well. And then I am also using the black liquid lipstick by Kat Von D called Witches, and doing kind of like a little baby doll lip shape. I know a lot of people do like the wide smile one, but my mom had the idea of doing like a baby doll clown, so I was like, I'm gonna do that. This is just the same cheap white face paint that I got from Spirit Halloween that I used earlier as like a base for the eyeshadow. I'm just taking like a big bristle brush and dabbing it into it and then lightly putting it all over my face to kind of create like a highlight. And the last thing I have to do is put on lashes. I'm still not great at putting them on, so I'm not going to record it, but I used my favorite Walk of Shame lashes by Scandal Lashes, and I also used these House of Lashes lashes called Bambie. So you guys, this is the final result. I hope you loved this look, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like. Love you guys!